Hello everyone, and welcome to the first part in this series of how I would set up my Ubuntu. Let's get started and change our background. Make it a bit personal. Alright, there are two methods, quick and a slow one. The slow one is going up to this dash home, which opens this neat little bar, which I will go into depth later. You can also open it with the Windows key on your keyboard. Also, a little quick notice for you guys who are sitting on a Mac. I'm really not good at converting the keys, but I'll try my best. So I'll just fiddle around with it. Alright. The first thing is when you press the Windows key, you can search, and let's search for Appearance. And you can see already when I search just an app in the first part of the Appearance word, it instantly pops up. So let's click it, and here we go with this little fellow. Here you have some different choices, and you can see when you click it, it instantly changes, but I like this one. Now there are also some themes which you can change, but I really like the default one that comes with Ubuntu. For you guys who have a picture from the internet or have made one yourself, I will show you how to put it on. Put that picture on. The quick way is, remember I said there were two ways to change your background. The fast way, the slow way, was going up to this menu, and the quick way is just right clicking on your desktop and just change desktop background, and there you go. But my girlfriend is so sweet that she always makes me a new background each time I reinstall or buy a new computer, which mostly is the first option, and I just double click this picture and it opens this program. So if you go up to the image, put your mouse up in the top and go into image, set as desktop background, or Control F8. Bam, there we go. But you can see that it cut off a bit of my picture, which I don't like. So let's go into change background again, and instead of zoom, let's change it to scale. That it will scale it down so that it matches the width of your height of your desktop. Voila, already much more better, way better. Next thing is a neat little program called Compass that changes these little elements and tiny details in the whole graphical user interface. For example, the launcher, I don't like the icons that big, so let's get started. Go into the Ubuntu Software Center right there, and this baby opens. If it isn't maximized, you can double click this bar, or you can press Alt or Command on the Mac and F10. Bam, I will use this a lot. And then you can search for Compass like that, and then you see this one. I have already installed it for saving time, but you can just press it and press install where mine says remove. When that's done, you can press, remember, the Windows key, which opens this dashboard, and type Compass, and bam, here we go. Just click it. It takes a while for it to load the first time, but I've already had it open, so this I don't know if you guys have seen the preview versions of Ubuntu, but it has this release and the 11.04 has got the Unity interface, and therefore we go to Unity, Ubuntu Unity plugin right there. Just a quick note is this entire Compass program, please be very careful when you change different things, because I've had to reinstall my entire OS because I've fiddled around too much and broke it. So yeah, be careful. Alright, when you press this and then go to experimental, and then you see the launcher icon size. This is the launcher, so you can change it to something bigger, which is not what I want. I want it smaller. Also, if you went on and changed it to small or bigger, you thought, oh my god, what was the default? I like that one. Just press this backspace and bam, you go to the default. Alright, the launcher icon size has changed now, and then you see your programs here, and in the bottom all your all your devices will come up, like SD cards, USB, and in my case external hard drives right here. As I never launched my hard drives from the launch bar, I would like them just not to clutter up, and therefore show devices, which this is a device. You can change it to never, only mount it, or always. I just change it to never because, as I said, I don't want it to clutter up my desktop. When that's done, you can just close Compass, and you will have to log off and log on again before the changes apply. Also, when you installed Compass, it asked you for a password. That means that it will change some files outside of your home folder, and that means home folder is like your personal space, your documents, your downloads, your music, and so on. When something is outside your home folder, it is like the system files or configurations. So it's just good to know. If you install a program that shouldn't go outside your home folder, you know there's something weird about it, and try to Google it. But that's only for safety purposes. Alright, let's log off and see what it has done. So hi guys, and welcome back from your relog. As you can see now, you have the small icons on your launcher, and I don't have my devices anymore. Often when I launch my devices, I do it from the this file manager. Jesus. And a quick little shortcut is when you hold down your Windows key, the one we use to open the dash, is some numbers that appear, 1 through 9 in my case, and actually you can just hold your Windows key and press 1, then you open the first element, Windows key 2, you open your second element. Oh yeah, there's my videos, and it's just pretty handy to know. Sometimes if you have a quite new computer or an unsupported graphic card, you'll have to go into your drivers and actually go disable your graphics driver. I have a new NVIDIA card in my laptop and it isn't supported yet, or at least the driver isn't. So the native or the built-in drivers in Ubuntu actually covers it all. So sometimes your screen will get messed up and stuff with new graphics card, but then just go disable your drivers and it will work in most cases. So what you do, I'll just do an example of disabling my wireless driver, but I'm not going to. You just see that it is active by the green dot, and you just click remove. I think you'll have to reboot when you're done with removing it. When you go reboot, there isn't actually a option here. You just go to shutdown and then press restart. So yeah, that about covers it. I hope you liked it. Next time I'm going to cover setting up your mail and yeah, Dropbox, Skype, etc. Just trying to cover the time. So see you next time. Remember to comment, rate, anything you like, and write on my channel if you have any questions. Generally, if you have some questions to this video, please post in the comments below. See you. Thank you.